Hey guys, it's Sheridan from the Panhandle-Plains Historical Museum. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a tornado in a bottle. But first we're going to go over the EF scale, so the Enhanced Fujita scale. So your EF0 would be your light scale, so your lowest tornado. It's about 65 to 85 miles per hour. And then your highest is your EF5, which is incredible, devastating winds, and just everything is damaged. So it's about 200 plus miles per hour. But then you have the numbers in between, and it goes up from 65 all the way up to 200 plus miles per hour wind. So now I'm going to show you how to make a bigger tornado in the bottle. So if you have 2 empty bottles and a vortex connector, you could always order them on Amazon if you don't have one at home. But you're going to fill the water up about a half to 3/4 of way in one bottle. And then I use the colored lamp oil. You can use either vegetable oil or like Dawn dish soap. Anything that separates from the water and is a different color so you can see the vortex better. So once you have it filled up, you're going to connect your vortex and then your bigger bottle, your empty bottle on top. And then once all that's connected, you're going to spin it over and you're going to let it settle a little bit, and then you're going to spin, and that creates that vortex for you, or that EF maybe 5 tornado. So it's a bigger tornado. It creates this vortex because of the water going through that tiny hole, forced through that tiny hole through gravity. And then you can always, once it's done, you can flip it over and do it again. But I'm going to teach you how to do a smaller tornado, or a smaller bottled tornado. You're going to either drink the water or fill the water bottle up about 3/4 of the way. And then I use the colored lamp oil again, and that creates that vortex once you spin it again using gravity. So once you have your empty water bottle, or partly empty water bottle, you're going to open it. Use a funnel. This is where you're going to need a parent's help. So I'm going to use blue lamp oil this time. And I'm going to pour it in just a little bit. I'm going to close that and take out the funnel, and then you're going to close the lid tightly. So you see how it's separated and you can tell a difference? That's what's going to help you see this vortex better. So I'm going to let it settle a little bit at top, and then I'm going to spin it, and that creates your vortex. So that's how you create a vortex or a tornado in a bottle at home. We would love to see yours, so please post yours on our Facebook, and y'all have a great day. Thanks.